How much does an Oscars trophy cost and what is it made of? The Oscar statue was planned in 1927 and carved in 1928. MGM art director Cedric Gibbons persuaded Mexican filmmaker and actor Emilio Fernandez to pose for sketches, which were then sent to a young Los Angeles sculptor, George Stanley, to create the legendary figurine. The Oscar statuette features a knight holding a sword with both hands on a film spool base. Oscar statuettes were traditionally bronze and gold-plated. Technology has altered the procedure. Since 2016, Polyctalix has produced the Oscars. 3D printed Oscars are cast in wax. Each wax sculpture is coated in a ceramic shell, cured for 2 weeks, then fired at 1,600 degrees Fahrenheit. The wax melts, leaving an Oscar-shaped void. They are cast in liquid bronze, cooled, sanded, and polished. Ebner Technology incorporated electroplates each figurine in 24-karat gold in Brooklyn after transporting them across town. Oscars are 13.5 inches tall and 8.5 pounds. The process takes 3 months. Every year, 24 Oscars are presented, but 50 are made before the event in case of a tie or multiple winners in any category. Statuettes were made at. Oscars are periodically auctioned, but what are they worth? They are worth less now because they can't be sold. A California judge barred Oscar winners or their heirs from selling their statuettes in July 2015, saying they were never intended to be handled as an article of trade. Award recipients shall neither sell or otherwise dispose of the Oscar statuette, nor authorize it to be sold or disposed of by operation of law, without first proposing to sell it to the Academy for $1, according to the Academy. This applies to Academy Award winners' heirs and assigns who receive statuettes via gift or bequest. Each statuette costs $400 to make, but only costs $1.